comes out mad fast. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing on my June 2020 Curlbox, but before we get started, I just want to say thank you to my friend Alana for making this backdrop. She actually made it herself for her photo shoot for her hair care line, which is called Desirable Curls by D. And when she was done with it, she was like, I don't really have a purpose for it. So I was like, I'm gonna take it. So now I have my own backdrop. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing another video on one of her hair care products. I already have one up, so you guys can check that out. She is a black owned business, so of course we're gonna want to support. And her products are amazing. I've used both of them so far. I already used the one that I'm gonna do a review on, and my hair loved it, like literally loved it. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, let's get into this video. I did get this box about 2 weeks ago, but my hair is in braids, so I couldn't film really, because initially I wanted to do the unboxing plus the review of me using the products to tell you guys how I personally feel about them. But my hair is still in braids, and I really want to get a video up because I haven't uploaded since I got these braids, because I'm mostly like, you know, natural hair videos, and I can't really do anything when my hair is, you know, not out. But yeah, so I'm just gonna do the unboxing part of this video, and then stay tuned as well for the review of me using this product, this hair care line, once I take my hair out. So of course the box comes, I already opened it so I already know what's in here, but of course the box comes in the same pink box as it does every single month. And when you open it, we have these, which is, this is the pamphlet that comes with every box based on the box. So this is hair rescue, that's the name of this box for June. And inside it's just giving you tips and, you know, more information about the products that are inside the box, you know, get a better understanding of the benefits of the ingredients and all that good stuff. So yeah, I'll just read you guys a little caption of it. It says, "We're saving your damaged strands this month. This is our hair rescue box, a reparative detoxifying regimen curated by ORS." I don't know if it's ORS or ORS. I like ORS better because I'm like, oh, this is ORS. It doesn't sound right. ORS, it sounds a little better to me. So then it says, I don't know if you guys can hear the thunder outside, but it's thundering. So, utilizing bioactive delivery technology, a method of infusing nutrients and antioxidants into the hair and scalp. These products will help you recover your hair for your healthiest curls. So this box is going to be honestly perfect for me once I take these braids out, because my hair is going to need to be rescued. It's been, you know, locked up for a month, almost, about 2 weeks. I'm going to stop saying a month because it hasn't been a month. But yeah, so you open it. I put everything back just the way I got it. This is what it looks like. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is the Hair Repair Scalp Rescuing Detox Shampoo, sulfate free. It detoxifies, soothes, and moisturizes. This is what it looks like. I'm going to smell it. Let's see. I don't know about y'all, but I love to smell my products. Ooh, it has like a... The word I want to use is menthol, but I don't think that's the word that I should be using. It has like a, not minty, but like, you know, like when you smell something that smells like it's going to do the same benefits as mint, like that tingly sensation, that's the smell I'm getting from this. I don't really know how to describe it. But it says, high perform scalp and hair fix inspired by skincare. Advanced treatment shampoo formulated to detox the scalp and hair from buildup and impurities that can clog your pores, irritate your scalp, or lead to dry, dull, weighed down strands. So if your hair has product on it, you haven't washed it in a week or two, your hair is definitely going to want to use something like this, whether it's this product or not. You want to do something detoxifying that's not going to strip your hair from its natural oils, but definitely get rid of the buildup that is on top of your head. I can read you guys a little bit more. It says, The mineral-rich rose clay, detoxifying green tea, activated charcoal, and mild natural micro-exfoliators help remove buildup and impurities without stripping your natural oils. Oh, I just said that. So that's what it's doing. Active aloe, ceramides, and hyaluronic acid and yogurt-derived probiotics work to provide long-lasting moisture while helping you soothe and balance your scalp hydration. It says hair repair proprietary PE15 biocomplex with biotin, plant stem cells, peptides, botanical extracts, and bioactive delivery technology. Wow, that's a lot of science going on, okay? Helps strengthen and revitalize hair while delivering micronutrients, vitamins, and antioxidants and to invigorate the scalp. That is the smell, invigorating. There we go. So it gives you an invigorating sensation as well as cleaning it. But it doesn't smell bad. Like, it has a good scent to it. Like, it's not like gonna be overpowering, I don't think. Okay, so the next thing in here is the coconut oil and Baobab. It's Baobab. I don't know how to pronounce that, but it's the anti-breakage conditioning cream. So this is just gonna be a cream to use in your hair, like a leave-in or a curling cream. It's pretty thick consistency, and it smells more like cocoa butter. Oh, it has coconut oil in it. Yeah, it has like a coconut smell to it. What does this one say? The problem? Daily styling abuse and chemical treatments have weakened your hair, leaving your strands brittle and prone to breakage. The fix. Strand refortifying. Rich in fatty acids essential for strong, healthy hair, coconut oil and African baobab oil conditioned to nourish weak strands. The results? Help to prevent breakage for stronger, healthy looking hair. Boom. Alright, the next thing in here is the Hair Scalp Rescue and Detoxing Mask. And this one, on the top it says detoxifies, soothes, moisturize, and balance. Okay. This one smells like the shampoo, so it's giving me that same vibes. It's also thick. Like, it's the same consistency as the cream, maybe a little bit thicker. Okay, the next thing I got is the Hair Repair Coconut Oil Baobab Vital Oils. Now, this is for dry, damaged hair and scalp. Oh, I don't know why I popped my pee like that. Okay. And that's what it looks like. This one says, the problem? Your hair and scalp feel undernourished and dehydrated. The fix, strand and scalp rescue. So basically everything in here is lightweight, hydrating oil to help condition and nourish your damaged strands without weighing down your hair. And it moisturizes and soothes your hair while enhancing shine. Let's see what this one smells like. Ooh, this smells good. It has a, I don't know. It has like a sweet scent to it, but I can't really describe it. But I could use this on my hair now. I'm gonna use it and see. Oh, okay. Oh, it comes out mad fast. I'm not even squeezing the bottle and it's like dripping out. So definitely make sure that this is closed. We got a quick little review in here. Okay. Now my neck got it. Alright. So yeah. And the last thing in my box is the Hair Repair Scalp Rescuing Detox and Renew Concentrate. It's looking like this. Now, I'm not really too sure what this is. I'm not familiar with what a concentrate is, but it says it detoxifies, soothes, moisturizes, and balances. But that's basically what this whole box, this whole line is doing, it's gonna balance, restore, and repair your hair. That's what it's saying it's gonna do. So I'm gonna read what this one says so I can get a better understanding. So it says, high performance hair and scalp fix inspired. Oh, I read this. Okay, I read this. Okay, this is literally the same description that was on the shampoo, so that's why I'm like, huh? It could be used as a pre-poo. It says in directions, shake well before, part your hair, apply a small amount to the scalp in sections, parting and massaging into the scalp for even distribution. Do not rinse out. Tip, can be used as a pre-shampoo treatment. But what does it do? Let me open the box. So how come everything in this box gave me like some tips and the problem and directions and the fix, and this one's just not telling me anything? Okay, I guess it's just for your scalp. It's a concentrate, so I guess it's all the vitamins that are included in this line in a more like potent component. Like, it's going to be stronger than the shampoo. It's going to give you a better delivery to, you know, balance out that scalp and give it the TLC that it needs. I'm not too sure, but when I'll do some research on this, on a concentrate itself. When I do my review on this whole line, I will hopefully be able to give you guys a better understanding of what this concentrate is and how it's beneficial for your skin and all that good stuff. But for now, that is the end of this video. I will see you guys in my next one. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you liked the content that you're seeing, don't forget to like this video as well. And if you have any video requests, leave them in the comments down below. I will love to see what you guys would like to see from me. And yeah, that's it in a nutshell. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.